So guys, it's official. I've been talking about this for a long time and I've never done it. So, we're doing it. I've done it, I've pulled the trigger, I've gone out and I've got 2 new backlights. So, we're actually going for something a little different. These are going to be getting smoked a bit more, but they're smoked anyway. So I thought, why not? We had a bit of an issue, guys, so I'm going to quickly address it real quick. Well, number one, these lights are going to be replacing the current lights. So I'm not sure if you guys can quite tell on camera, but these are just normal everyday Corsa. These are the blacked out version where they're a bit more smokier compared to the current one. So I'm hoping it's going to make it look a bit more aggressive. So we're going to do that for one. Number two, check this out. We've got some new rims, we've got some new alloys. Yes guys, it's official. I've got us some new shoes for show. Because we had a bit of an issue with this one. No, not this one, with this one here. Check this out. So, cameraman was driving the other day and I had a phone call late at night with an issue. And check this out for an issue, guys. We had 2, not 1, but 2. Look at this. Look at this. Come check this out. Look at this. We've got 2 rips. That means this tyre is literally flat. So that one was a boo-boo. I think it was this one. Yeah, this one also. Lovely brand new tread, guys. Didn't have this wheel for long. And look at the tread. And look. No good. So 1 flat, 2 flat, and another one. So these were Callies. Now these are new Callies. So yeah. The only difference with these guys, they're very identical. So if you look at the space in here between these prongs, these ones you can actually get 2 fingers solid in. Yeah. So so you can fit 2 fingers in this crack, and these ones you can only fit 1 finger in the crack. So yeah, and if you think about these guys, these you got a solid 3 compared to these, you got a solid 4. So yeah, these are a bit wider on each side compared to these. Yes guys, I know the alloys weren't the best on Cali anyway, but these ones are a little more worse. So, kinda sucks. But without further ado, let's go on to the light. I'll actually do this side first because this one's the most straightforward, this one. Yes guys, hidey hole. Tell no one. Just take out bags, when you go shopping. Everyone that does that with a Corsa, right? There should be for a first aid kit, but you never use it for the first aid kit. What are you lying to me? You also got another one. You've got 2 on the bottom, so 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. Take these off like so. Pop this off. Very simple enough. There's a little hole here, and you've got this piece that sits into that hole. So yeah, don't like yank it out because you will snap that piece. Don't snap that clip. And then very simple. Unhook your wiring harness. All light out. Without mixing these up, which is going to be this one. So we then get our lightly smoked. So very similar, guys. They're literally the exact same, just smoke, non-smoke. Put that up here, out the way. Yes, BM is still here, guys. It is going very shortly, I hope. Very soon. So to get this clip, push this clip in, and get this piece again, pop into that hole with like so. That. So just like so, I'm going to pop these 3 clips off here. 1, 2, and 3. Just lift these up. I'll spin on this way so you guys got a bit more light. So yeah, I'm going to pop 1, 2, and 3 clips off like so. Just lean them out, and then you can actually lift this whole section out slowly and gently. Just like so. Voila. So we'll take this section out because I know for certain all these bulbs are good. And then I'm going to literally put this seal back on. She ain't no Lambo, ain't no Bugatti gold, but her heart's got torque and her tires grip bold. From the council estates to the motorways grin. Cali seen it all, she don't need to blend in. From the council estates to the motorways grin. Cali seen it all. Here, like so. Disconnect this. Just for now, I'm going to pop this one back into here. And 3. Ah, it's a good job I done that, because this one snaps with a lug nut on it. Good job I done that anyway. Haha! See, always think ahead. Now, we've got Callie's original parts in an aftermarket kit. And now, get this clip like so. Just like that. All good. So, because I already know all these bulbs are good, I'm going to screw these back up. Voila! So, I can already see us, we're going to do the same thing again with this one from what we've done to that side, just because I know the bulbs are good, and already knowing ahead of time the bulbs, well the indicator light is going to be white. So, what we're going to do, pop these clips off one more time, again, same place, 1, 2 and 3. Pop these off, get a bit of angle on that, pop him off, same thing on this side, pop him off. Take this whole, look at that, this one's even corroded, so it's a good section, it's a good reason for us to do this anyway, so yeah, we'll do that. That will be here for now. Put this one to the side. What we're going to have to do is, like so, we're going to take this out, got the whole air compressor unit, the whole air compressor unit which we want to take out, so for now I'm just going to pop that out like so. Now get all that stuff to go back in. Once we're done, this can just pop right back in. Stuff this in, you can see it, and this will go back again. There. So, that's the side. Just like before, 2 screws, like so. And just like before, pry the back off, and this one's actually missing its piece that goes onto here. It's actually snapped off, so yeah guys, look at this here. Now I can see why this kept going inwards on this side, and it was because of this here. There was no little fingertip on it. So I'm going to unplug this, put it here, we go 1, 2, and again 3, section can't put. Let's get this piece back on here to seal. And the one good thing is we've got no corrosion on our ones, so yeah, looking good. So our ones compared to the ones that we just got our hands on, so yeah. No corrosion, junk. Now, the good spare bulbs, the good, very good spare bulbs. So little tip guys, don't just throw away any bulbs you do get your hands on. Now, so we've got a bit of working room. We're going to get our smoke light like so. And we get our bulbs again like so. Make sure we go the right way. And then we're just going to slide these very straightforward. Like so. And then we shall get these clips like before. 1 clip, 2 clips, 3 clips all done. Come over to here, get our clip, our plug here. Just plug that clip. Clip this plug that clip this plug into there. And then make sure now we don't break this off like whoever did it the first time. Is that in now? Double check. Yeah, so that's in there now with that clip. So now here, fitment, 2 screws, and you just slide him in. And you watch. Because of that screw, But I can't get it nice and flush. And that's going to be because of this piece, isn't it? Oh, that's that side. Let's get that right. I'm going to take this top screw out. And I'm going to re-screw this one into the top of that one. Actually, can I just... like so. I'm going to undo this again with more grips. A bit. Do this screw. This to this. So guys, well, this is what I mean by the difference. So this was the old one, that was the one that I took out compared to the one that I've just took off Cali to now put onto this new set. These don't fit onto this because obviously that's a lot fatter than this is. So yeah, all I've done, I was taking that one out, got this one off Cali to go onto this new lot. Choose some more grips to do this up nice and solid into the light. So, you haven't got to be over tight guys, just do them up enough so they don't fall out. And yeah, now we got two nice palms. And you got to now rebuild Cali. Again. Just try. Yeah. Now, you got all that screwed up. Like solid, you need a bit more on that palm. Put this on a bit more on top. Now get this. Hang on. Let me check these lights again because I don't want that fog light going out on me. See? Just too good, guys. Bear in mind, I'm not a mechanic. Oh, like that. Oops, without tripping me up. Got that. Flush. Just right. I'm happy chappy. So guys, just like that, as you guys see, it's very straightforward just to change the lights over. And I've got to be honest, I'm quite digging the look. You know, it looks a bit smoked out. I might even just retint them again. Like I've got some more tint over there, so I might just put like another layer over them. But you have to find out if that's legal or not, obviously, you know, an MOT to pass. And yeah, but I'm quite happy with it overall. Let's see what she looks like with everything down and closed up on there. Like, yeah. I'm digging it. She looks a bit more aggressive, you know? That's the look that we're kind of going for. So, now I look at it, it looks mean, it looks nice. And considering, if you didn't know what you were looking at, I reckon it'd still look the same. So, that's that. Very, very simple, quick mod. Looks a bit better, just makes the car look a bit more stealthy in the night. And yeah, I quite like it. And you have to give that a 10 out of 10 for how simple it was. Bear in mind guys, remember I am not a mechanic. Don't take what I say as advice, but you've just seen on how simple it is. I'm learning a lot as time goes on, you know. In 6 months, look at the transformation that we've done to Callie. She was a normal Corsa. If you guys haven't already, go and check out the very first video that I ever posted on this channel, and you'll see it was just a normal, ordinary Corsa. So a lot has changed, a lot has been done to her, you know, from a performance side to just the actual look of her in general, you know, in terms of the underglow, the lights, you know, a lot of things have happened on Callie over the past 6 months. And I gotta be honest, there's a lot more to come on her. Like I was on about, guys, there might be a rally spec coming out one day. Very, very, very contemplating on it, but I might do it one day. But yeah, anyway, don't forget, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, if I can do it, of course you can do it. Of course you got it, not just that. Callie's got it, you got it, I got it. Don't forget, always put your mind to it. Just see if it works, give it a shot. What's the worst that can happen? It don't work, and happy days. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget, if I got it, you got it. Of course you got it. Peace.